Think you need a pricey website to make money online? Think again. I built a free site, and in just 2 weeks I earned $500. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how step by step. Free site builders like Wix, WordPress.com, and Card let you launch fast. No hosting, no credit card. They might look basic, but if you pick the right niche and traffic source, they still convert. Here's how I did it. First, niche selection. I picked budget travel mind maps. Simple keywords, zero competition. Then, my offer, a $5 digital PDF itinerary for Belize. Travel PDFs like this sell over 100 copies a month when you promote them on TikTok and Pinterest. I built a simple one-page card site headline and benefit, product image description, and a buy now button linked to Gumroad's free plan. Took me 30 minutes, no coding, no cost. For free traffic, I posted in budget travel Slack groups, Reddit's r/frugal travel, and made a TikTok showing Belize highlights with the download link in my bio. That single TikTok got 200 views and 5 sales, $25 in 2 days. Repeat that a few times and there's your $500 in 2 weeks. To boost conversions, I added a short testimonial. This guide saved me $300, a money-back guarantee, and a little scarcity. Only 50 guides available. That doubled my download rate from 2% to 4%. Recap: chose a niche, made a free site, created a simple PDF offer, drove free traffic, then improved with testimonials and scarcity. 14 days, $500 revenue, zero upfront cost. Want to scale? Repeat with other niches like budgeting, travel, or study aids, and reinvest your profits. Comment free if you want my card template and PDF script. Like, subscribe, and let's build more free website money together. Make millions.